Hey guys, my name is Robert. I want to say thanks for coming to this channel. I am beside my 2017 Toyota Tacoma because I want to do a quick tip. And the quick tip is that sometimes because of theft, people are always trying to jack your stuff. Unfortunately, that's how the world is. You lock it up. You lock up your stuff. The problem sometimes is that the locks won't unlock. So what do you do? Especially if you're in a jam. For example, I have my Max Tracks up here, and those have locks because I don't want someone walking off with a nice set of Max Tracks. However, one of these locks is stuck, and now I gotta unlock it. I remember my friend Jed, he actually had that same problem. He was trying to get his recovery stuff out, and everything was locked. And the only thing you need is a can of this. This is PB Blaster. It helps with rust and corrosion, but you can use WD-40 or any type of lubricant. Just have a can with you when you're traveling, and you should be good to go. So I'll demonstrate what the problem is and how to fix it. Okay, guys? All right, so let me show you what it looks like when you have no problem. So basically, you stick the key in just anything, you turn it, voila, you're out, right? So that's a good thing. But here's when you have a problem. So you're over here trying to get this out. Let's see, trying to do this one-handed. What happened? It's stuck. See? It's not going anywhere. It's not budging. So it's because of the rain, you know, the environment, dirt. It's just been exposed out here like that. So now it's not going to work. I'm basically stuck. You don't want to try it too hard. You'll break the key. Break the key, you're basically done. So I'm gonna get the little spray here. I'm missing the straw, but you just do a little squirt. Let it sit in there. All right, we'll let it soak for a minute in there. Let's see if we got it going. There we go. So that's it. So that's what you gotta do is once in a while, actually, it might be best if you could just spray these periodically as a sort of a preventive maintenance. It'll coat the insides once in a while and also loosen things up. So that's how we did it. See, I'll lock it, and then you want to just flip it on a few times just to make sure it's going to work. So that way, next time it should be good. I wish I had a straw for my can of stuff, but whatever we can get in there works. So that's my quick tip of the day. So if you have any questions, comments, please post below. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I appreciate your support. All right, guys, peace out.